So we're gonna start by turning off the sub D of the front bumper and taking some vertices from the front side. Let's get rid of those two. And we're just gonna make some faces over here. Let's take those two and just merge them. Now we have to make we have to get some more vertices. But first things first, we're just gonna SY0 these. This we can just push them with the y-axis and GX. Instead of making faces, we're just gonna join them simply. Take that Shift D PS, make a separate object. We just name it Front Diffuser. As you can see, there's a little bit of gap over there, so we're gonna maintain that gap. Let's extrude it over the y-axis, over the z-axis. I'm sorry. Give it Control R. Extrude it with the e-axis. Then again, like around there. Let's deselect those and just extrude the rest. Great. Let's get rid of the extra words. Then make some faces. Great. Let's get those two GX and push them on the x-axis. Same over there. On the x-axis. And for that, we just have to adjust it like just a little bit. There we go. As you can see that there's a double lip, and now we have to make that. Grab those two GY and then push them inside. GY, push them inside. Cool. Now we have a double lip. Great. We're just gonna push let's push it inside like that with S, so that it will be pushed inside from all the sides in the equal manner. SY0 there. Now we have to extrude it over on the y-axis from there. Get those PS. Then grab the new edge loop we just created. Selection there. Now let's extrude these over the devices. Cool. Now we have the double lip of the front diffuser. Go to the isolation mode, and now we're gonna solidify this. Let's do the upper and the lower both. Let's extrude it on the y-axis in that manner. Now let's deselect the upper one, GX, and push them inside. There we go, like that. Let's shit smooth that, then sub D. Alright, it looks good. It looks good. Um, I shift 10 to recalculate the normals. Nice, nice.